In this video, I'm going to show you how you can design a modern tech logo step by step using a real process, from research to sketches to the final result. So we will follow a proper design process that real designers use. And by the end of this video, you will not only have a logo, but you will also understand how to think like a designer and what the process behind a logo. So if you want to improve your logo design process, this video is for you. So this brand called Nexalogics, a modern tech SaaS brand built around innovation and connectivity, focusing on creating smart, structured, and scalable digital solutions. Before sketching, I like to quickly note down some keywords based on the brand name and niche. So here I'm writing things like tech, innovation, connectivity, systems, data, and geometric forms. Then I take a few of these keywords and search them on Google to explore existing logo styles. This helps me understand what's already out there and gives me direction to build my own unique concept. So, based on that research, I started sketching ideas using the letter N and combining it with geometric shapes. I explored different directions like arrows, connections, data icons, and modular shapes to see what works best. The goal was to keep it simple but meaningful, something that represents logic, connectivity, and future technology. So for this logo, I started with the letter N as the base since it directly represents the brand name Nexa. Instead of using a simple letter, I created it using negative space, which makes the logo more minimal and visually interesting. The outer shape around the N is built using geometric forms which represent structure and logic, something that strongly connects with a tech SaaS brand. At the same time, the way these shapes are connected gives a sense of connectivity and flow, which reflects systems, networks, and innovation. Also, for the typography, I used a clean sensory font to keep the overall look modern, minimal, and easy to read. Instead of sticking to just one concept, I explored multiple variations of the logo. This helps in understanding how the design works across different styles and use cases. It also gives the client multiple options like primary, secondary, and alternate versions so the logo can adapt across different platforms. And this is how the final logo looks in real world mockups, from a simple idea to a complete design system